Insulin plays a very complex role in regulating metabolism, including the metabolism of fat. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas, and its primary role is to help regulate the blood sugar or the glucose level. When you consume carbohydrates, your blood sugar level rises and the insulin is released to facilitate the uptake of glucose into the cell for energy or storage. Insulin also helps to inhibit the breakdown of glycogen in the liver and release of glucose into the bloodstream. Insulin suppresses lipolysis, which is the breakdown of stored fat or triglycerides into free fatty acids. When insulin levels are elevated, as is the case after a meal, it signals the body to store excess energy in the form of fat and inhibit the release of fatty acid from fat cells. This can make it harder for the body to access or burn the stored fat for energy. Ghrelin is often referred to as the hunger hormone because it plays a role in stimulating the appetite and the food intake. It is primarily released by the stomach and acts on the hypothalamus of the brain to increase the feeling of hunger. When ghrelin levels are elevated, it signals the body that it's time to eat. Sometimes the body becomes resistant or insensitive to ghrelin. This means the body does not recognize the presence of ghrelin and the stomach produces more and more of ghrelin, which results in too much of overeating. Several factors can contribute to the development of ghrelin resistance or reduced ghrelin sensitivity, which includes excessive consumption of high calorie and processed or sugary foods, obesity, chronic inflammation, very low physical activity and sedentary life. Leptin is often referred to as the satiety hormone because it plays a key role in regulating appetite and body weight. It primarily produced by the adipose or the fat tissues and helps to signal the brain that the body has enough of energy stores, which should result in reduced appetite and increased energy expenditure. But in some cases, the individual becomes leptin resistant or insensitive to leptin. The brain does not respond properly to the signals of leptin, leading to a lack of control of appetite and a tendency to overeat. This can contribute to weight gain and obesity. Leptin resistance can develop due to various factors including obesity, chronic inflammation, consuming high calorie and highly processed food, sedentary lifestyle, lack of physical activity, etc. Resistance to leptin, ghrelin and insulin can create a vicious cycle of weight gain and increased appetite because the brain does not receive the proper signals to reduce food intake and increase in energy expenditure. This condition can make it challenging for individuals to lose weight and maintain a healthy body weight. If you are someone who is struggling with weight management, it might be because you are resistant to one or all the three hormones that I mentioned earlier. DM me weight loss and we'll reach you with customized and tailored solution for you.